Hey guys, it's Aaliyah. Welcome back to my channel. So this is kind of weird. I'm filming this on a different day, I got a different hairstyle. But I just wanted to basically this video, so I'm gonna talk about something that I totally forgot to talk about in the video that I posted about my teeth. And then I'm going to tell you guys what my dentist and my hygienist had to say about my veneers, and then you guys will see how I clean my teeth, basically how I brush my teeth and stuff. When I first saw my teeth, we're sitting in the chair, she's like working, and I kind of like have my eyes closed, like I was trying to take a little nap, because it's kind of weird, like what do you stare at? You just looking up, you just, so I just have my eyes closed. But anyway, so whenever she first put the mirror in front of me and I saw my teeth, I wasn't prepared. I was not prepared at all. And honestly, I don't know, I guess I had the thought of like how people with freaking crowns look, like how their teeth is like so like perfect and like squared and all that stuff. So I guess that's what I had in mind, how my teeth was kind of gonna be like, or similar to. So it really had me off guard. So and then also like I look different, so I thought it was mad goofy. Like I thought I looked mad goofy. I was like, oh my god. Like I didn't know if I had liked it or not in that moment. It was just like, oh my god, like damn, you really did this. Like it was kind of like that. So I wasn't really sure if I had liked my teeth or not. And like I was texting my aunt on WhatsApp because she knew like I was in Colombia. And I kind of told her what I was doing, and then I sent her a picture. I told her like I'll post the screenshots, but I was telling her like ahead of time, I was like, don't laugh and stuff like that. And she's like, what? Because like y'all, my family, like, man, if you have family from the Caribbean, or if you from the Caribbean, like you already know how it is. Everything is a joke and a kiki. Like nothing is nothing is taken serious. Like I mean, yeah, things are taken serious, but they're gonna make a joke out of something. Like I have a like I'll insert this like thread one of the blogs put together. But like basically, okay, I'll tell y'all like a reference. So I have like a bunch of uncles on my mom's side of the family, and my grandpa's youngest son, his mom dropped him off in the town with 2 bags. So ever since then, they've been calling him 2 bags. And like every time I hear his real name, I get confused. I'm like, mean Jake? Like what? But anyway, so I was thinking, the jokes was gonna come, and the jokes came later on. My dad said I look like Kermit with teeth. But yeah, guys, I was just trying to prepare for like, because I just feel like, damn, you kind of look goofy. But so I sent it to my aunt. She liked it. I was trying to send, did I send it? I don't know if I was trying to send my boyfriend a picture or what, but I don't know if it's sent or not. But whenever I came back to the room, I was trying like, to like not really like have him watch me talk, and I'm just like, like, do you like I'm waiting for him to say like, yeah, I like it or whatever, and then he just goes, well, it's definitely an improvement. Like he doesn't want to say that he likes it because he doesn't know if I like it. And I'm just like, well, what do you think? Like, I don't know, I feel like I look goofy right now, like, so oh my god. But yeah, he gonna say, well, it's an improvement. I'm just like, what the fuck? But yeah, that's one thing I wish I should have touched on. But that video is kind of long. If you have not seen that video, definitely go get a snack, get some food, sit down and watch it. It's actually really informative. But yeah, I did not like my teeth at first, guys. I think it took me a couple hours because in actuality, you know, they didn't look bad. I wasn't used to them. And I've talked to some people, like after I was done editing that video, I was talking to someone that was there, and they were saying how they didn't like their teeth and whatnot, and you know, they felt weird. And I was like, oh my god, I went through that, and I totally forgot to talk about it. But yeah, just give yourself some time. Like, it's you seeing yourself differently. Like, whenever I used to get my hair done, like sew-ins and stuff, I would look so different. Like, I would have to get used to seeing myself in that hairstyle. But I just wanted to say that, so in case like you get your teeth done and you kind of feel like, oh my god, I don't know if I like it, like just give yourself some time, especially if maybe if you had like really bad teeth before, and then you get this, maybe you won't feel the same way. But I had pretty great teeth, so it was kind of like, in my mind, I'm like, dang, I hope I'm not making a huge mistake or whatever. But actually, it's been the best thing I've ever done. So yeah, if you want to get your teeth done, definitely get your teeth done, and stick around and watch the rest of the video. Hey y'all, so I just left my dentist appointment. It was just an appointment for cleaning with the hygienist, and I just want to tell you guys what she said about my teeth and what she did. So she actually really you know, the toothpaste they use, she actually only did that on my real teeth, which is in the back. She didn't touch my veneers like with that, and she did she did go back in with like a water pick, like a dentist style water pick, because it was so like, you know. So she went back in and she did in between the teeth in the front and the back with that. And then she also went through she said that like loosens up anything if there was, you know, stuff there. So then after that, then she went in how they would like clean around your teeth, like for the tar or the plaque buildup or whatever. So she did that after, and honestly, she told me I'm doing good. Like, this place that I go to now, this is the first time I ever like had anyone check in between my gums, like see how, I don't know what it's called, but she like measures in between your gums. And she said I improved. I was like, oh my god, yes, W's. But anyways, so yeah, so I I told her that I basically only use the water pick now. Like, I really don't floss like that. And she was like, you know, that's really good. That's better than nothing. And the water pick does like a lot. It takes out bacteria and stuff from your teeth. So my hygienist was really happy with me. And then she went ahead and she brought so my dentist office, they just got like another dentist. Like, you know, it's like family owned, so they keep it in the family. So it's like his brother-in-law. So I met him, but I didn't like formally meet him like as a dentist. Like, he was just hanging around whenever I came to get my fillings done before I left for Colombia. And he came and he just like basically inspected my teeth. I don't know if they're doing that like as an icebreaker for him to meet all the patients or what, who hasn't seen him since they've been in or whatever. But he went in and he like, oh shit, I'm sorry, it's shaking, y'all. He went in and he looked at my teeth and he said it all is good. He said he was checking around the gum line to make sure like I didn't have any bleeding, and the way how my veneers were sitting, they weren't affecting my gums and stuff like that. He said everything looks super good, like really good. Like, yeah, he was like, you know, you did a great choice picking out your dentist who did them. Like, everything looks really nice, everything looks super good. And he you know, they asked me if I'm having any issues, problem areas. I told him no, like I'm good, because really I'm good, like okay. So yeah, and my hygienist said that I didn't have any like big problem areas, like as far as like my cleaning went. So yeah, I'm doing good, y'all. Like, oh, I should have told her I got a spin brush. She would have been like, oh my god, yes. I should have told her that. I didn't tell her that. So really, yes, I need maybe I'll film that video today. I do need to film a video about my teeth, and I should probably just insert this in there, like boom, this really been working. But anyways, yeah guys, that's what they said about my teeth. I'm so happy. He was like, oh, they go all the way back to the molars. So anyways, yeah, that's what my hygienist had to say. And I was so happy that the, like, you know, the dentist came in and like looked at them and stuff. You know, everybody said they look really, really nice, really, really good, and that I'm taking great care of them. So, you know, the dentist can only take you so far, but it's up to you to keep that work up. Just like the surgeons, you got to keep getting your massages and compressing all that stuff, taking care of your teeth, brushing them, flossing them, using a water pick. All that stuff is like getting your massages and compressing, like for real. Like, this is real life. This is your teeth. This is the window to your, no, that's your eyes. Okay. But anyways, sexy teeth is in. Like, you got to take care of them. You got to take care of them. I'm about to get kicked off my parents' insurance, so I really need to come today and like really just make sure everything was all right. But anyways, yes, that's all I had to say about this. I'll see y'all. Okay guys, so as you can see right here, I'm just testing out the water. I like it to be pretty warm for my retainer. That's the clear retainer right there. So I'm just gonna put that in there and then put one of the tablets in there. And this is the same tablet that I talked about in my previous video. And these are the things I use: the water pick and the toothbrush. And of course you need some mouthwash. Love the water pick. And that is the tip that I've been using. I haven't used any of the other tips. And that's the water reservoir. So I just put water in there because I'm going to have to refill it while I'm doing it. So, and I'm just showing you guys how I go around the teeth. Like, I go around the gum line, then I go in between the teeth, and I just repeat that step. And these are the 3 settings for the water pick, but I usually only use it on normal. And this is me going through and doing it on my teeth. Oh my god, please don't make any memes of me. Oh gosh. Anyways, so yeah, so I do the front of my teeth first, and then I go back in and I do basically the same motion and behind my teeth and the back of my teeth, mostly because like, you know, in case the water just pushes it back there, or there's stuff back there that I don't reach from the front, it'll come out when I do the back. So I definitely recommend doing it like that. So this is all the stuff that was in my mouth, well, in between my teeth, all the like the particles and stuff. And this day I did try to eat a lot of stuff so I can like have a lot to show you guys. I had Chipotle, and I guess not all of it stuck to my teeth or whatever. And this is how the retainer's doing. So now I'm gonna get ready to brush my teeth. This is how it looks. I really like this toothbrush. Y'all, we have so much toothpaste at my house. We don't need to buy toothpaste for like the next 3 to 4 years, seriously. And I like to just spread around the toothpaste in my mouth first before turning on the toothbrush. And this toothbrush it'll like go and it'll vibrate when it's time for you to move to the next section. I think it does that every 15 seconds or something like that. I'm not totally sure. It's in the manual, but it'll like pause and while it's vibrating like twice, and then that's when you know you need to move to the next section. So I divide like the bottom into like 3 sections. I start at the back, go to the middle, which is like my front teeth, then I go to the other back, and I do the same thing for my top. And I brush the front and the backs of my teeth, and then I also use it on my tongue as well. Like this toothbrush is good for your tongue. Like it's not gonna stop working. And here I am with the mouthwash. Love this mouthwash. Got it at Costco. The mouthwash and the toothpaste. Costco. Love Costco. Okay, now let's clean my retainer. I personally like to scrub mine with a brush. You don't have to scrub it when it gets done soaking in the solution, but I just like to scrub it, just an extra step of making sure it's nice and clean. I don't clean my retainer every single night like you probably should, because mostly whenever I go to bed, like that's when I brush my teeth, so I feel like my retainer is not, like super dirty or whatever. But I don't do it every single night. But that's just me being transparent. So I just brush the outside, inside, everywhere. And this is just like an old regular toothbrush. And this is the case. I got the retainer in the case from Jennifer. So I also clean out the case because, it's probably a little, some like slob in there or something. I don't know. But yeah, so this is my teeth all nice and clean. And this is basically like how I care for my teeth and everything. And this is it without my ring light on. Ooh, and look at my skin. My skin looks so good. Don't worry, I'll drop the skincare line very, very soon. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.